Alright, so I have 1 out of 3 products applied here. I brought you in for just one little short bit of spray and sealer on this car. You can see I've gone with a green shade sealer just to aid in the coverage of my next color, and then the chips. If it has rock chips or something in it, hopefully it doesn't, but if it does, it would just chip into this green sealer, hopefully, and not a gray color. If I would have thought, I probably could have used this all the way through with from the primer on, but it just didn't happen that way. So next process is going to be to blow it and tack it. You can see I sprayed that sealer on. It went on pretty well. But this stuff typically has a little bit of texture. Every time you spray a coat of something on the car, you get a little bit of texture in that product. So what I've done is I've allowed it to dry for 2.5 hours, and then I've gone back over the entire car with 600 grit sandpaper wet, just to knock that texture down, eliminate any dirt particles. This way the trash that I get in it will be from the base coat up. I'm hoping I don't have to sand this thing again until I get ready to start buffing it, because I'm starting to get a little tired of sanding. So I'll try to bring you in and we'll do some base coat spraying. It's just kind of, I've shown you the basics, and then you just have to do it. You gotta get in there, jump in with both feet, tread water, sink a little bit, maybe mess something up and have to repaint it. Come back. You get better. The more you mess up, sometimes the better you do. You learn from your mistakes, right? So have a great evening. And, if you like my content, give it the thumbs up, subscribe. Check us out. I'm going to be doing more and more